Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start your YouTube channel, get your preset descriptions uploaded, add your About Me, and verify it. For the best YouTube for beginner education, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified each time I upload a brand new video. Stick around to the end and I will show you how to get a free gift from me to you. In order to create a channel on YouTube, you need to log into a Gmail account, visit youtube.com, and click the upper right corner. It says Create a Channel when the drop-down shows up. When you click that, your process will begin and you get to decide if you're going to use your name or choose a custom name. In this particular video, I'm going to choose a custom name for my EverPro marketing business since that's the account that I'm using. Make sure that you read the terms and conditions and make sure that your name is exactly how you want it because it's really hard to change, and I will put a link in the description below on how to do that. The next screen it will lead you to will have you upload a profile picture and tell the viewers a little bit about your channel. This is your chance to really dive in and give some good description about what your channel is going to incorporate. This is a great place to put some of the keywords that you might research about your specific channel and what your channel will provide to the YouTube realm. Next, you'll have the opportunity to link your website and some of your social media handles. Now let's begin customizing your channel. This is done very easily by visiting the Customize Your Channel section, and you can see you can add channel art, which I will include a link to a video that will describe how to do that. But let's click on the About section. In this section, you get to click on your location and let YouTube know where you're located in the world. This is helpful for different audiences. And then also, it's nice to put your email address in there. Now, once you have that done, you can click the Done button and move into the next section. Let's visit the Creator Studio so that you can begin to see what exactly is in the Creator Studio and how to fully optimize your channel with the right keywords and descriptions. So you click the Creator Studio up in the upper right hand corner and you'll see here that there's a dashboard, but at the very bottom there is a Creator Studio Classic bottom left. Now we're going to go into there because there is a feature in there that I haven't been able to find in the new YouTube Studio, and so we're going to stick to the Legacy Classic. Now that we've made it into this portion, click on the channel and you'll see here that you have things that are enabled and things that need to be enabled. Monetization only happens when you have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours. And then you'll notice also that you cannot do custom thumbnails until you've actually verified your channel. Now I have a video about how to create custom thumbnails that I will include in the description below. But now let me show you how to verify. Just simply go up and click verify. From here you get to decide if you want a voice message or a text verification code. I personally like the text verification code because it's easiest for me. You put your phone number in there, you hit submit, and they will send you a code to enter in. It's as simple as that. Now let's move on to our next section, which will be our upload defaults. Here you can choose what category your channel fits into, and you can put in a standard title or a standard description. This is helpful when you have social media accounts and specific description things that you like in there. For instance, I always put how they can book an appointment with me. Now, once you've done some research on the proper tags for your channel, you would insert them there, and always select the language your video is going to be in. This will help with subtitles and closed captions. Other than that, you are set. Make sure you click save at the top right corner, and we're going to move on to our next section, which will be branding. You definitely want to add a watermark to this branding section because sometimes people will download other people's videos, and this will ensure that your logo will always be on it. You choose the file that you want. Click Save, and now you have an uploaded watermark that will always show up on your channel. Now, just make sure when you're uploading it that it's a PNG file that has a transparent background. You can see here that from here on out, my logo will be in the bottom right-hand corner. Many people utilize the watermark section to put a subscribe prompt, so that's another option. Now you can go into the advanced section and you can put channel keywords in this area as well. I put here the major keywords that have to do with my specific channel. This is also the page where you will link your AdWords account from Google, and just make sure that you allow your channel to appear on other channels' recommendations. That is key. Click Save, and we are done with this section. And now it's time for my free gift to you. I have put together a YouTube checklist for beginners that you can snag in the description below. I'm really excited for you to get up and going. Please put any questions you have in the comments below, and I promise I will get back to you personally. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.